Good morning, matey. Oh, my happy little matey. Good morning to you, my little man. Oh, is that yummy, your fingers? Do you want some pear? Do you want some pear today? Do you want to eat some pear? Yeah, you do? Kain si mami muna ha. Una muna si mami, tapos ikaw ha. Happy ka pa naman eh. No? Are you gonna eat pear today, matey? Yeah? You like pear? Yummy pear, mom. You like pear? Oh, where's Ate? Ate. Oh, a sock? Yeah? You wanna wear the sock? Dami pa. Okay. Let's wear the sock. But madulas ka man. Wag lang, oy. Madulas ka. It's slippery, my love, if you have socks on. Siya na nagsuot. Oh, okay. Good job, Ate. Good morning, Ate. Happy Thursday! Baby shark, Daddy shark, what's next? Oh, wave goodbye, feed the sharks, feed the sharks, oh, is that how you feed the sharks? Daddy shark, you wanna dance to matey? Are you gonna be a dancer and a singer? Are you gonna be a dancer and a singer? Are you gonna be a dancer and a singer like Ate lang? Yeah, you wanna sing and dance too? Okay. Kasakit! Nagluto ako ng itlog. Nilagyan ko ng kamatis, onion, at saka garlic. Rice. Maaga pa. Kaya lang may live kasi ako mamayang alauna, guys. 10:46 pa lang. So, kain na tayo. Ate, kumain na to ng breakfast yung bata. Pero alams, nakakain na naman yan. Pag binigyan ko ng rice and egg. Magkape lang ako, hindi pa ako nakapagkape. Alas 3 na ako nakatulog kagabi kasi si Arlo, ayaw niya matulog. Baka nag-sleep regression siya. Pero pinag-uusapan nga namin ni Dan kahapon na kung yan yung sleep regression niya, I'm not complaining. Kasi okay na okay pa din siya. Parang yan yung normal na sleep ni Ayla. Pero sleep regression na sa kanya. I'm not sure if he's going through it, but feeling ko lang kasi matagal siya natutulog sa gabi, pero mahaba yung tulog niya sa umaga. I don't know, guys. But that's, again, it's okay. Alas 3 na ako natulog kagabi. Natapos akong ayusin yung mga ilalive ko mamaya. Mga 1 something. Kasi si Arlo, ayaw niya talaga matulog. So, nag-take over ako. So, siguro mga 1 ako nag-stop dun sa inaayos ko. Hindi ko siya natapos. Pero tinapos ko siya kanina. Biglaan kasi yung live ko. Usually, weekend ako nagla-live. Kasi, diba, weekend lang may bantay yung mga bata. Ngayon, pwede weekday. Kasi nandito si Miss. Pwede niyo ma-look after yung kids saglit. Kasi sa weekend, hindi kami pwede pala sa weekend. Birthday celebration ni Pete sa Sabado. Ang aga ni Ayla natulog kagabi. Tapos ako naman, nakatulog ako alas 3 na. Kasi si Arlo ayaw matulog. So, dahil maaga nakatulog si Ayla, maaga siya nagising. So, ako, tagal ko natulog. Ang aga kong nagising kasi si Ayla. Alam nga naman. So, ngayon, medyo masakit yung aking ulo. But, we have coffee here. So, we should be good. Kain tayo, guys. Masarap tong ganitong itlog. Kain tayo. Damihan natin ang kain. Tapos, inom tayo headache tablet. Kulang na kulang talaga yung tulog ko eh. Ayaw niya talaga matulog kagabi. Antok na siya. Pagkarga ko siya, matutulog siya. Pag binaba ko, nagigising. Tapos after no alas 3, nagising pa siya. Hindi din straight. Nakatulog ako konti pero hindi straight. Okay, here, yummy. Yummy. Simula na tayo ha. Hello, Kathy Brown. Hi. Good morning sa iyo. Dito ay hapon na. It's already 12:48. So, one sana yung schedule, but Arlo's asleep. And while he is asleep, guys, let's start. Hi, Alicia. Hi, Syra. Alright, let's start.
closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love, love, love. Feel the love, I feel the love. I feel the love, I feel the love. I feel the love, I feel the
Katapos ko lang mag-live, actually mga 30 minutes ago, pinakain ko si Arlo, and I got Ayla ready because we are going shopping today, guys. Kailangan mag-shopping ni Dan ng mga bagong damit kasi yung iba masikip na talaga sa kanya for Hamilton. Nagpabango ako, and gusto kong pabanguhan si Ayla. Ready na si Ayla. Look, ate! Look at this. Come on. Come here so they can see you. Ang bango ng pabango ko, yung bigay ni Miss. Ang bango nito, Miss. May ganito ka ba? Ha? Ang bango ng pabango ko. Alright, come on. Here, so they can see. Come on, quick. Ooh, ready? Oh. Oh my gosh, so good! Ang bango din nito. Sobrang fresh lang. Pabata talaga to siya. Musty? Musty na pabango. Ayan. Okay, come on. Huh? Look. Look, guys. I smell so good. Ready? Look. Oh my gosh, Daddy's gonna smell you and Daddy's gonna be like, oh my gosh, my baby girl smells really good. Ooh. What's Daddy gonna say? Smell me, Daddy. Let's go. Let's go downstairs to prepare the kids' bag. And then, Sisi's getting ready too. Kasi pagdating ni Dan, diretso na kami, guys. Gabi na kasi. May work kasi. Tapos ano siya? Thursday, late night shopping. Ayokong patulugin si Arlo kasi matutulog yan sa car. Bubbles? Bubbles outside? What do you want, ate? Do you want some snack while you wait? I'll give you Twiggy stick. Come on. Careful ha, don't run fast because you have socks on already. Wala pa akong thumbnail. Dito na si Dan, guys. Naririnig ko na si Dan. Nag-edit ako ng thumbnail. I can hear Sisi as well. I think Sisi's ready. Dapat kasi magbibihis lang yan si Dan. Tapos alis na kami, guys. Gabi na. 5:18 na ng gabi. Sabi niya 5:30 daw yung dating niya eh. 5:18 pa lang nandito na si Daddy. Hindi ko pa na-ready yung bag ng mga bata. Pero ready na naman yun. Kailangan lang i-check. Hello, ate. Daddy's home. Do you wanna go to the door and say hello to Daddy? Go, go. But be careful, okay? Have socks on. Sobrang cute ni Ayla dito sa ina-edit kong thumbnail. Sobrang cute. Ano siya? Tinutulungan niya si Miss magkarga ng ano? Yung karga yung luggage. Sobrang cute. Ang kurot naman itong batang ito. Sakit nun ah. Dito siya sa baba eh. Okay, Arlo, I'm coming, Bobby. Ayaw kitang patulugin, Bob. Kasi matutulog ka sa car. Do you wanna bring that book, Bob? Do you wanna bring that book? I'll sit at the back. Mag-isang car lang kami. Sabi nila, mag-isang car lang tayo. Yung haba ng biyahe, ako lang mag-isa. 805. Ay! I'm sorry. Okay, okay. Come on. You'll sleep in the car now.
How are the kids doing there today?
Sisi was looking after them.
Oh, yeah? Hard what? It is.
It was Arlo. Arlo was already getting tired.
It's hard. What is that nonsense? Okay.
Alright, come on, let's go. Daddy.
I did tune in the live twice and I just started to see Sissy, but I saw you and Isla.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, it is hard work. Doris, you got that tomorrow apparently.
Kasya naman pala guys sa likod. Kasya. Yeah, kasyang-kasya din si Miss dito.
Does it have to be KFC or do you guys want open for other stuff?
Yeah, I'm open. Mag-ano kami?
McDonald's?
Hi guys. Yeah, Macca's is fine.
Just because we're not really going past any KFC.
Yeah, mag-drive-through kami guys kasi time is tight. What time will Harbour Town close?
I think 9 o'clock.
Yeah, 9. It's already 5:38 guys.
Yeah, so you won't get long. I reckon 2 and a bit hours shopping.
Yeah.
That's long enough for the kids though.
Yeah. We have the bag, babe? Kids bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
You're not sure?
I'm not sure. I think we do. Let me just pull over.
Okay.
Actually, I don't think we do.
Okay, so it's on the couch. I'll get it there. Okay. The garage. You've got it?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Oh yeah, you got it. Sorry, I could have just looked back.
That's alright.
My goodness.
You're fine.
Sorry, babe.
That's alright.
Kasyang-kasya noon pala sa likod, guys. Uy. May space pa nga. I can move on. Naka-seatbelt pa ako. Okay naman pala, we can be in one car. And I can be with the kids at the back. Hello, my little bit. Matutulog to si Arlo. Si Ayla baka.
Hungry Jack's or McDonald's?
Okay, you choose, my love.
Hungry Jack's.
Okay, there you go. Dito kami sa Hungry Jack's. Take away lang tayo, kain tayo habang nagda-drive. Malayo kasi yung Harbour Town. It's 30 minutes drive, isn't it, babe?
38.
38!
That's what it says.
38.
Let's
Far away. Oh yeah, traffic lagi. Dadaan kasi tayo sa city. So, nandito na yung drinks. Hinihintay na lang namin yung aming food.
Thank you.
So, I have the chicken burger.
There's your chicken burger, Raz.
That's spicy chicken, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
I think it's not your sister.
Check.
Your chips, you got
Ketchup as well.
your chips are there. Much.
Okay, thank you. Oh, can I have chips, miss? I'll give some to Ayla. Thank you. Dito na kami, guys. Si Miss antok sa biyahe. Ang dalawa tulog. Agoy. Tulog si Ayla. Sabi ng tulog kanina. Si Arlo tulog din. Should we move Arlo in the bassinet or keep him here?
Put him in the bassinet.
Yeah, no? Sige. Ate, we're here. Daddy will carry ate. Do you wanna do it too? For Ayla and Arlo, just in case Ayla wants to sit?
Sorry? We don't have two.
Oh, you don't? Okay. You will be carrying Ayla then. Dito na kami. Sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig. Si Arlo, happy lang siya. Oh.
It's actually a lot better now than before.
It is a lot better now, yeah. Bago yan, guys, yung TK Maxx dito. Yeah, nag-iba na siya, miss. Ay, may cotton on kids, oh. Chemist Warehouse, yeah. TK Maxx muna tayo. And then, ikot tayo. So, ito na yung pinakadulo nila. Let's go. Let's see what we can find. Wala na yung mask. Ano yung shopping na to is for Dan lang naman talaga. Kasi yung mga damit niya nga, maliit na. Pero alam niyo ba, nagpunta ng TK Maxx sa Pasadena kanina. Meron daw siyang appointment na malapit dun. So, nag-stop siya sa Pasadena. Baka may makita tayo ditong magandang diffuser. Sorry, mate. Kasi nagising siya. Magandang diffuser, miss ba? Wala siya diffuser, no? Wala dito. May mga sunnies din sila, oh. Baka may magustuhan kang sunnies. Ay, naabot yun niya, oh. Abot na abot talaga, oh. Ganda, guys. Ay, pa-sexy-sexy. Mandi ay ni. Igat-igat pala to, guys. Maganda yung nakuha mo. Yan yung... Not exactly the same, no? But that's really nice color. Paigat-igat pala to. May pa-gilid-gilid pala. Gusto ko normal lang. Yeah, wag na to, miss. Joke lang pala ang lahat. Mura lang sana. $17. Yeah, maganda yan. Maganda yan, oy.
Not necessarily pag ina.
No, that's very nice. Yeah.
Ayun, sana maganda. Actually, gusto ko.
Tapos ano, high-waisted, tapos mag-blazer ka? Ah, sige, merong large. Parang sa yung cocomelon. Ito, medium. Bilhin mo na lang, dalawa. Enabler. Matey!
Boy tayo.
Ito ang yung akin, oh. Feeling ko malaki man to sa akin, ay. Maganda siya. Nice lagi na. Sige na, medium dito, oh. Isa na lang natira. Pero maganda din naman yan. Yan na lang, uy.
Kasi nga, nagpupulma sa likod. Ma-adjust niya?
No.
Hindi na sa ito po. Kanina lang. Large na ito. Large na
Ha?
ito. Ito na lang.
Ayan, large yan. I-compare mo daw, yung pinaka-first large yan. Yeah. Large ka, uy. May ano ka?
Large ako. Bako nakikita.
May cocomelon ka. Ako may pancake ako eh. Alam, maganda tong pants na to, miss. Oh. Ay, nako. I don't need, actually, I really don't need this. Dami kong bralit. Sobrang dami ko. Balik natin to, be. Ahaka eh. Ito na naman tayo. Hello! Hey! Aww. Ow! You finished, babe? Let me see. Did you try it on? Oh, Isla's dress. Is that Isla's dress? That's so cute. Look, miss. Look.
Oh, that's so cute.
When are you gonna wear that, Bob?
Would she wear that?
I don't know. Where is she gonna wear it?
It's a dress, isn't it?
Yeah, she can wear it anywhere. That's private. Run. Where's Daddy? Ooh, where are you taking me? Hoy, my size is not there. Can we go to the shoes, please? Mommy size? This way, ate. Nandun yung size ko. Ayla. Come on, let's go to my size. Hello, miss, di ba naghahanap ka ng ano? Na ganito. Ma. Bigat. Sabi niya yung may heels daw. O yan, may heels. Hello, miss, ang ganda ng kulay, oh. Ang laki nga lang. Beige. Asan yung size ko? Pwede man natin size 8, mana size 8. Do you like it? Kasha ba?
Kasha size 6 lang ito eh.
Gusto niya yun, yung may heel. In fairness sa'yo ha, nakahanap ka.
Tommy, no?
Uy, it's not that heavy. It's not that heavy. It's fine.
Sila upor na sa Tommy.
Hindi siyang bigat. And merong ganito oh, isang style.
Pang Philippines.
May ganito isang style. Sige daw, try daw ko na. 9? 6. Size 6.
Plus 7 siguro ko.
Kasha sa akin yan?
Sakit man eh. Immunity. Sure ka ni gamay yung tiil?
Yeah, lumiit nga yung paa. Lumaki. Lumaki yung paa ko. Size 5 sana ako.
lumaki ka?
Lumaki.
6.5 siguro ko.
Yeah.
Nice ka ni Os. I-try daw ni.
Sige daw. Ang hirap naman ito, uy. Masikip. But nice to. Nice to, oh. Black.
Nahuotra na ako kay akong kukut eh.
Paano daw?
So I'm 6.5.
Tapos na kami sa TK Maxx. Dito tayo sa pambata. Nakabili kami ng top ni Ayla at saka ni Arlo na matchy. Sana makahanap tayo ng... Gusto ko ng denim jacket for Ayla. Ooh, ate! Sige ate, choose the most expensive one. Tita will buy you clothes. Choose the most expensive. Let's go to Gucci. Gucci!
Hala ni Lincoln.
Ay, kapoy. Napagod. Ay! This is okay. Leave her. It's fine. Sisirain niya. Makabayad pa tayo. Jump. Ang hilig mag-jump. Jump. Jump. Ano, gusto ko ng denim jacket for her and tutu skirt. Bilisan natin, kasi may time limit tayo do. Alas 9 magko-close ang Harbor Town. Nandito pa tayo sa dulo. Hubarin na yung shoes niya, guys. Kasi itatry niya yung isang shoes. Tingnan niyo, hubarin niya. Kaya niya na daw mag-isa. Nahubad niya yung isa. May isawa, may si Ayla. Tanawa. Hubadin na niya kasi i-fit niya yung shoes.
Mas nice to ganino.
Uy, patabang siya, oh.
There's a prettier one at least.
Don't take off your sock. No. May nagustuhan ako kanina, guys. Reebok. Wala. Ha? Patry ko lang yan. Uy, hindi naman niya yan bibilin. May shoes ka na. Kailangan niya sandals. Sandals kailangan niya si Dan kasi nagtatry pa, guys. May nakita siyang mga t-shirts. Mayroon sana ako nakitang hat sa Tommy. Ah, too small? What size is that? Is this your size now, ate?
Sexy.
This one?
Honey, may pretty ka tong black suit. Sige. Do you want this? No, don't take it away.
Too big, oy? Yeah, way too big. Let me see. Lala, oh, hugaw na. Dumi-dumi na sapatos na yan. Hindi naman bibilhin. You like? Ah, yeah, no, that's not a good one. She can't take it off.
Black.
Tingnan niyo si Ayla. Baka naubos na yung pera ni Daddy dito. Let me see. Oh, driving man. Oh! Siya talaga ang nag-enjoy sa ano na to, shopping na to.
Just put $2 for it.
Okay. Wala na kwarta si Daddy. Wala siyang dalang wallet eh. Oh, ate! Okay. Careful ha. Oh no! What? Ooh! Look at that.
So you're gonna shit it though?
It's okay. No. Mommy, oh. Go drive, ate. Ah, now, barog na. Tatayo na, babe. Sana hindi na lang tayo nag-spend ng pera. Natakot tuloy. Oh! She's scared. Go, Ayla. Sit down, Bob, and drive. Oh!
Is it worth it?
She was having more fun when it was not working. Yeah. Shopping si Daddy, ah. Shopping ng wardrobe si Daddy. New wardrobe. Yeah, that one's nice. No, that one's nice too. The one with the gray print.
Or blue?
Black. Black's nice. Black looks good on you. Oh, babe! This is cute. Nice. Look. Or this. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Oh, wow. You like it? Oh, let me see. Whoa. Oh.
Hold up sissies as well.
Okay, what did you get? We went to Harbour Town today to go shopping for him.
Huh?
I looked for shoes and wala akong nahanap na shoes. Meron akong nahanap pero wala yung size ko. So I'm gonna look it up online. Kasi yung mga shoes ko maliit man. Uy. Alright, what did you get? He went to TK Maxx before we went to Harbour Town.
I brought some t-shirts because I need some t-shirts.
Oh. Zoo. What's that?
Zoo York.
Ah, Zoo York, yes. Oh, nice.
Calvin Klein.
Is that from Harbour Town, that one?
That's from Havertown. Venice Beach.
Zoo York as well.
New York.
This is the quickest haul ever. That's nice,
Got a lot of
nice.
t-shirts.
Yeah.
Some of them are a little bit quite around here.
Oh, okay. Must be the t-shirt. They didn't make it good for you, my love.
The shorts. These were actually really expensive for shorts. Originally, I thought they were cheap, but I looked at the wrong tag. Originally, $100.
Yeah.
Then they were 95, but I thought it said 45. And then it was like 40% off, so I thought, oh, yeah, it's not going to be too bad.
47, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A bit more about that, sir. I'm pretty much going to wear these every time I go swimming at Hamilton.
Okay.
Get my money's worth. A little bit of range t-shirt, actually.
Yeah, we went to
Levi's.
Levi's as well.
You chose this one. I'm not loving it, but it would do.
Well,
Maybe I'll just do it when I'm cleaning the car or something.
I gave it to you to try. I didn't
You chose it.
tell you to get it.
I just,
That's nice. I like that one.
yeah, another simple Levi's one.
Yeah, I like that one. Oh my gosh, you've got a whole... Oh my gosh, yes! Oh, that's... Sissy got that for them, for the kids. She paid the Cotton On stuff. So that's from Cotton On Kids. That's for Arlo. This one is for Daddy.
A lot of t-shirts.
I know.
You know when we go to the Philippines,
Yeah.
this is like, because you're going to need a lot of t-shirts for the Philippines.
Yeah. How about singlets? You don't have singlets anymore.
I'll get some singlets when it comes to summertime.
Look at that. That's
This is
so
really
cute.
cute. Yeah,
Toy
Toy
Story.
It's got all the little characters on it.
That's for Arlo. I love the colors sa
Yeah,
cotton
I love
on. Gaganda ng mga kulay.
Big Bird. Do you know who Big Bird is?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you have
Sesame
in
Street.
the Philippines?
Yeah, of course we
I
do.
thought you said you didn't.
Yes. Ang cute niyan. I got that because I know that you like Sesame Street. That's for Isla, for Hamilton. So cute. We need to get sandals for her. Maybe we'll go to Target. Yeah, because it's summer.
Go with
Hamilton.
Sissy tomorrow and get all that stuff.
Oh, we're going to the shops.
Venice
Yeah.
Beach.
That's for you. Oh my gosh. How many t-shirts did you get? Okay.
Got a lot.
Another one.
A lot. Got heaps.
I know.
Actually, what I'm going to do is hang them up in the cupboard.
Huh?
So I can know what they are. Hang them up. Got all those coat hangers.
Yeah.
Not fold them up. And then you fold them, you don't know what it is.
I never fold your t-shirts. I always hang them. They're hanged.
Oh. Okay, you don't fold them.
Where are they folded?
I don't want to argue. It's late. For the kids.
This is for Isla and for Arlo. They will be matching. And I want
Why can't
Isla.
they the same size.
No, they're not. That's 12 to 18 months, and Arlo's 0 to 3. Is it 0 to 3? 3 to 6.
12. 18.
What 12?
12 months. 12M and 18M.
Maybe we picked the wrong one.
Oh,
Oh well, it looks cute.
good one for that.
That was from TK Maxx. That's for Cici. And then my hat. I got a hat. That's the only thing I got today.
Look how small that is.
Yeah, I want it simple. I don't even want print on it. So I chose the smallest print.
How much did you pay for this?
$30? Why?
You could have got a real one.
Whatever, man.
Whatever. Okay.
It's nice. No, nice color, diba? Thank you for
Do
the
me a favour
whole.
tomorrow and just iron all these, please.
Iron your face.
Just iron them. Alright, that is it.
Say goodnight to the vlog,
Good
mama.
night, everyone.
Explain ko lang sa inyo ang ating promo. So, may promo na naman tayo. Alam ko, ang dami sa inyo nag-aabang every month ng ating promo. Kaya lang wala tayong promo last month kasi binisita tayo ni Maring Tuvidity. Anyway, ang ganda ng ating promo, guys. Ang daming nakasale. May mga freebies na naman as usual. So, bilisan natin to kasi yung bata magpapabasa na ng libro. Meron silang naka-promo na Chiyu. Yung overnight solution cream nila, prinomo nila, pero sa totoo lang, hindi ko pa ito nagamit, guys. So, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung nagiging resulta sa mukha or kung maganda ba siya sa akin. Hindi ko sure pa kasi hindi ko pa siya nagamit. Pero kung interesado lang naman kayo, and nakagamit na kayo nito and gusto nyo lang mag-restock, naka-promo siya ngayon. Ang mura-mura na lang niya. It's from $31.50 USD down to $14.40. Sobrang laking savings na niyan. Again, sa mga users na dyan ito, tapos gusto nyo lang mag-restock, it's on promo at the moment. Plus, meron ka pang freebie na succinic acid exfoliating toner na 6 ml, yung maliit lang. Kapag bumili ka niyang Chiyu na Sacral Overnight Solution Cream. Yung Kinonix na isa sa mga paborito kong sunscreen is naka-sale din from $24 USD down to $14 na lang. Alam niyo naman ako, addict ako sa sunscreen. Isa to sa mga ginagamit ko. Gustong-gusto ko yan. The Catrine Lip Tattoo is very nice as well. Meron ako dito. Yung isa ko nakalabas, hindi ko alam kung nasaan na. Ayun. Naka-sale din yan. So, ililive ko na lang yung mga images dito ng mga naka-sale natin na products. Yung The Seek Water Glow Tint. That is my go-to lip tint kapag dito ako sa taas nagli-lip tint. Kasi iba yung lip tint ko sa baba. But, sobrang reliable nitong lip tint na to. It is like water glow tint talaga siya. Hindi siya sticky. Oh, dami nang nakuha niyan, oh. Yan yung lagi kong ginagamit. Yan yung go-to ko na lip tint. So, ito talaga, alam ko na maganda talaga siya. And I have been using it for a long time. So, naka-sale din yan. Estilo na Born Natural Brow Styler. Hindi ko na siya ginagamit kasi naubos na siya, guys. So, nung ginagamit ko siya, yes, na-enjoy ko siya and naubos ko talaga siya. Bell Gleam Rich Volume Curling Fix Cara is on sale as well. The Hand Skin Blemish Cover Concealer. The Moonshot Powder Fixer is on sale too. That is the powder that I use. So, i-leave ko sa screen yung mga prices niya. So, yung na-mention ko na prices earlier was in USD. Yung Chiyu ha, kung i-pesos mo siya, from 1,640 pesos down to 749 na lang. Tapos may free ka pa na maliit na toner. So, bonggang-bongga. So, meron na tayong mga nakasale na products. Meron pang mga freebie. Alam nyo naman, hindi mawawala yung freebie sa pa-promo natin each month. So, for our global customers, sa mga customers natin na taga-ibang bansa, meron kayong Super Face, Zoom In. That's Mama, yes. Ah, Daddy, that's Daddy. That is Daddy. So, meron kayo nung Super Face, Zoom In Mesh Cushion, yung natural na shade. Yun yung shade na gamit ko. Yung refill nun, free. Pero once na sold out na yung freebie, wala na. It will be replaced with another freebie without notice. And meron din tayong 10% discount voucher. The discount voucher is rhaze10. That is if you spend around $19.23 USD. So, okay na okay yung spend. Makaka 10% off ka. $19 lang, makaka 10% off ka na. For the Philippines customers, with any purchase sa shop ko, same freebie, yung lights, camera, action na zoom in mesh cushion, yung refill na and then same 10% off discount, raise 10. That is for a minimum spend of 1,000 pesos sa shop ko. Oh my gosh, did you poo? Oh, Daddy, she did a poo. And as usual, limited time only. The promo actually already started, guys, nung 11th of August hanggang 17th. So, habol kayo kasi may time pa naman. August 11 hanggang August 17 siya. Kaya kinailangan ko i-insert itong part na to ng vlog. But, sa mga interesado dyan, links will be in the description box for you all. Thank you, guys.
Okay, edit.